Hey, hi. So, as per our modules, okay, and our requirement, already I have shared you some list of demos, right? Some domains previously. So, we have already done prayer module, Qibla module, which I already shared you complete demo, correct? And we have done the namaz module, correct? Quran Sharif module and all. And whatever changes you have suggested, I have added that as well. Okay. So first one is in Hadith you wanted some Hadith was not implemented, right? So now Hadith is also dynamic. So I have added three cards. One is for in English, second one is in Urdu, third one is image. If you want to add Hadith in English, Hindi, or image, you can add all three. Okay, you can go to admin section. That was the user section. You can also go to admin section. Now all modules are completed. Okay, let me go to admin section, and if you go to hadith section, here you can see you can add hadith in English, Urdu, and if you want to add image, you can also select image and it add. Okay, and also if you want to delete some old hadiths, you can also do that. Okay, so this way we have done the hadith module. Okay, and for the masjid alan, so as you requested ki you want link and some image in alan. Okay, so I have added this image section as well as link section. Okay, so you can add this image and link. Okay, and that will be visible like this. Okay, you can also control it if you want to delete it or disable it, you can also do that. Okay, so as you can see I have added few testing alarms. Similarly for community, okay, committee, so in social platform, okay, so in social platform you can able to update all committee information, masjid related information, as well as masjid related social media platform links. Okay, all will be editable from this admin panel. Okay, as you can see you can add basic masjid information, you can add multiple committee information. If you want to add new one, you can simply click new and you can add the new committee member information. Similarly, if you want to update some social media link for your masjid, you can also add. Okay, and you can save it, and this will be visible to user. Okay, similarly I have added one more section, splash banner, so you will be able to see some banners on home screen, right? So you can also add new banner, or okay, and if you want to delete some old banner, you can also delete that. So that is also doable from admin panel. Okay, so this model is also completed. Okay, and in home screen I have added one more feature, silent module feature. If you enable it, then it will silent your mobile for the azan timing. Okay, if you disable it, it will not it will be normal. Okay, as per your mobile music level. And this is the reminder, or you can say ki complete namaz timing calendar. Okay, and also for reminder we have added a notification bar. You will be able to see complete time to time reminder kind of thing here. Okay, if you close the application, still notification will be enabled. Okay, for the reminder purpose, and it will also show ki how much time is remaining for the azan. Okay, so as you can see, as of now 3 minutes are remaining for the fajr azan. Okay, as of now I have just set it from backend for the azan timing. Okay, so this way we have done this reminder module as well. Okay, and if I go to and we have also completed the masjid direction module. There was a masjid direction module, right? Masjid in Leh city. So if you click to masjid direction, it will take your location and it will go to Google Map and search the nearby masjid with your location, and it will also show ki what are the nearby masjid nearby you. Okay, so this module is also done. And if you go to the hadith section, hadith will be visible in home screen in English, Hindi, and the image. Okay, and if you go to this masjid committee section, you will be able to see the masjid information, whatever admin is added. Okay, and masjid committee member. Okay, and social media links for the masjid. Similarly, if you go to social link, it will be also show the same. Okay, and in masjid elan, you will be able to see all elans, whatever elans admin has added in this section with the image and the link as well. So as you can see, there is a link. So if I click to link, it will open the link in the Chrome browser. Okay, so this also done. Okay, and for the azan, see now 1 minute is remaining. Once 1 minute will over, it will show that azan or a kind of a notification view, where it will play a notification sound as you requested. You want notification sound only instead of azan. Okay, so let's wait for few more seconds. Okay, so almost each and every module is completed. Okay, as per the requirement. So your total has been completed as per we have discussed in initially. Okay, so as you can see, this notification sound I have added, and let me stop it, and I also change into Urdu, whatever language you have suggested. Okay, and Qibla finder is also done. Based on your GPS location, it will show the Qibla location. Okay, and namaz module is there. Whatever modules are there, I have already shown you in previous video. Okay, thank you.